You guys, spring is almost here, and this is the time where a lot of us like to do our deep cleanings. I wanted to come share some things I like to do around the house and items that makes it easier to do. Let's look at our appliances. Appliances, a lot of times get forgotten about throughout the year. Now is the perfect time to address and clean and maintain our appliances. First, I do like to drink coffee, so deep cleaning and giving my coffee cleaner a refresh is a must. So I do like to use these active cleaners, therefore descaling your coffee makers. You can use these for a variety of coffee makers. It's super easy to do, and my bottle actually lasts a long time. Now, they also offer the tablet versions, which I have not used, but I have them. I use the liquid mostly. I can link both. Again, you want to descale your Keurigs, your coffee makers, whatever you're using, because a lot of times we forget, right? So this is the perfect time to go ahead and descale that so we can get that refreshed and maintain. Another appliance is also a wash machine, okay? Like, it's time to let's deep clean the wash machine. Let's get that drum clean. And I do use Active a lot. They actually provide a year's worth of cleaners, which is like super great. And to help you kind of keep track, they have a calendar inside the box if you want to use that. But they do have wash machine cleaners too. They're super easy to use. Just toss them in the wash machine and it can go ahead and give your wash machine a refresh and get all those smells out and all of that good stuff too. So appliances is a must. Those make it so easy to just go ahead and deep clean and descale those appliances. Let's look at our stainless steel, okay? Because, you know, most of us do have stainless steel around our kitchen area, whether it's the refrigerator, the microwave, your sinks. Tackling and cleaning your stainless steel, getting it nice and spotless is just a must. You want your home to look good. I have been using this lately, the stainless steel cleaner here. It's a cleaner and it's a polish. And it does come with the cleaner and a microfiber towel so that you can clean your appliances. And this leaves a streak-free finish, okay? Streak-free finish. And I really like that it's plant-based as well. So it's no harsh chemicals in this, which is really nice. It is plant-based and it has some essential oils in it too. It's naturally scented. It's just one of those great cleaners to have and you can use for your stainless steel appliances. And look, I just had to show you this. This stuff is amazing because it's fingerprint resistant. So you see me live touching the refrigerator, putting my prints on it. Even my husband came and put his on there too because he didn't believe me. But look at there, no fingerprints. So worth it to cut down on cleaning. Let's go more in depth into the kitchen, okay? Let's do some more deep cleaning around the kitchen. If you have some pans, like stainless steel pans especially, that you have not been able to get maybe burn marks out of or stains and things like that, one thing you can do, and this has worked for me over the years, is grab some of the Pink Stuff paste and you can combine that, which is one of my favorites for especially like deep cleaning, like oven stoves and getting like scrub marks off of my pans and burn marks. Combine that with a Rubbermaid electronic brush. You guys, the two combination, I don't know what it is, but the combination of both of those things does the job. If there's something around your house, you can probably try that too. Because I have tried it for a lot of stuff. Now you got to be a little bit careful because like something like countertops, if you try that combination on your countertops, it's going to pull off your gloss, okay? You don't want to pull off the top coat. So it can be very powerful. So you want to make sure where you're using it is someone that can handle it. Stainless steel, definitely, you know, if you got pots and pans that's went through a lot and you want to refresh them and make them like new, try that combination, okay? Game changing for sure. I've done that. I've been using that for a long time, probably about 10 years or more, especially on stuff I just cannot get clean. You can also use that combination in ovens. If you have like some marks you just cannot get out, try that combination. In our kitchen, we also need to go ahead and wipe down our cabinets, okay? One of the things I like to use for my kitchen cabinets is a wood polish. I have been using this for a long time. This is made by Better Life. They do really clean products and I love using their items around the house. So there's no harsh fumes. It is plant-based cleaning ingredients, which I really like. This is the scent of cinnamon and lavender. So it smells yummy. Okay, it smells yummy. So having this, spraying this around your kitchen anyway, it's just gonna bring life to your kitchen. You know, scents mean a lot. Okay, when a person walks in your house, scents mean a lot. But at the same time, this does a great job of cleaning your wood and your cabinets and keeping them clean and keeping dust off of them. I've used this for a long time. Yeah, just spray this on there, wipe it down with your microfiber cloth, and you're good to go. I like this too because it doesn't give like a waxy buildup. It's just such a nice lightweight cleaner and gives your cabinets the shine that they need, and again, keep that dust off as well. It's safe around kids and pets too, so if it happened to spray it on the floor and stuff like that, you know, you don't have to worry about this being like toxic to your family. Moving on to your drawers. I really like having a portable vacuum just for my drawers because it's easy. It's so easy to clean out your drawers just by having a portable vacuum. And if you guys have been seeing my videos throughout the year, you always see me pull out some type of portable vacuum, usually when I'm cleaning out my drawers. So I definitely recommend, this is the perfect time, even if you have drawers that's organized, but they tend to get crumbs in them or hair in the bathroom, you know what I'm saying? Take out your bins and vacuum that drawer down. And that way it doesn't build up over years and years and years. If you have kind of like your deep cleaning schedule, things to tackle once per year at least, it will help keep down the pile up when you get ready to move, you know, or if you get ready to move. But yeah, I definitely like to get my drawers. That's something that I don't get every drawer, but I try to get especially the ones that can easily get built up, like hair or dirt or crumbs in them. Grab your portable vacuum, clean those right out. Another thing you can do while you're doing your deep cleaning is tackle your trash cans. You know, a lot of times we are emptying our trash, but when your trash can needs that deep cleaning, like a good wipe down, I like to use an odor spray. And honestly, one of the best I've found has been like pet odor sprays because, you know, they're meant to hold down really, really bad odors, especially from your dogs, like urine. So they definitely will be able to hold down your trash can odors, which is really nice too, and it's refreshing. I do use the active odor one. I've used a couple ones over the years. I just circle back to this one. I really like it too. So, but this one you can spray your trash cans down. You can also use these on like diaper genies if you got babies. Spray it down, give it a good wipe down, clean out, and you will have your trash cans ready to go so they're not smelling up your cabinets or your home either. Let's go to the floors. Okay, a couple things I would definitely like to tackle for my floors, and this is not just your everyday cleaning. This is after you've vacuumed, after you've mopped, all that stuff. I do like to steam my floors every so often. Steaming definitely helps to disinfect the floors, keep those germs and bacteria up. One steamer I have, and I don't know if they sell this one anymore, you guys. To be honest, I think it's about time for a new one because this one is on its last leg. I've had it through 3 homes, but I may link a similar one because this is like an all-in-one steamer. It does come with the mop head, so you can actually get the floors. It has a really large head, so it can clean quicker because of that wider head, but it steams, it disinfects, and then it also is portable, so the like steamer come out and you can like steam stuff around your house, like with a portable steamer. So whether it's the stove or the refrigerator or your kids' toys, I've done all of that. Having you a steamer is something that is so handy anyway, especially for deep cleaning. I definitely like to get my floors for sure because, you know, we mop all the time, but then I like to go in and steam them every so often too. So if you have not, add that to your deep cleaning list too, steam your floors. Another great thing to do is to deep clean your rugs, your carpets, any of that. I like to use this, y'all, this carpet cleaner that I use, so easy. Again, I've used a lot of different carpet cleaners over the years. This one right here is the easiest and it's held up. You don't have to do any mixing in it. There's no buttons involved. Honestly, when you push it, it cleans the floor, shampoos it, and then when you pull it back, it pulls and sucks it up and it dries it at the same time. So this one is a smart wash carpet cleaner. We use it all the time. Even my husband, he uses it more than I do now. He'll just go around and just go shampoo. Because it's actually, when you get fun gadgets, y'all, it's just game changing. My husband helps clean all the time. Having easy gadgets and gadgets that work and it's super easy to use, honestly, it helps so much. This is one that we've had a long time. Again, you don't have to mix the solutions. It dries, which is nice. And if you want to just focus on drying only, there is a button you can press. And that way, when you push it and pull it, it will just focus on drying only, which is nice. Again, no buttons. Love this one. Do recommend that one if you guys are looking at one or are thinking about one. That's one I recommend and we've used and had a long time. and it's held up really well, especially compared to some other brands out there. I've had some other ones over the years and they are okay, but this one so far has been the best. Moving on to, since we're kind of talking about shampooing, we're kind of in the other category now. Another thing you can go ahead and shampoo and deep clean are your sofas and your upholstery, anything like that. And I love to use upholstery cleaner for that. I've had this Hoover one for a long time. Again, I've used different brands of upholstery cleaners. That's one good thing I can say, is because I test so much and use so much. The head is bigger, which can cover a larger area at a time, and it works great. You want to use this with warm water, but you can deep clean your sofas, even your car seats, any type of upholstery, especially when you have kids and dogs. Sometimes we don't get around to deep clean all the time, but a great time to tackle all of that is set aside some time for your spring cleaning and do all your deep cleaning. So that is one I have used and do recommend. And since you're doing all of this cleaning, let's also throw some disinfectant in there, okay? Now, I do like to use the mist so that I can get more areas. The mist is so great because you can spray this on upholstery. You can spray this on your sofa. You can spray this on your doorknobs, the light switches, things people touch all the time, toys, things like that. You can just spray this mist, and it's such a fine mist. But I do like it too, again, because you can spray it on your sofas, things people sit on. So I even travel with it too and disinfect everything that I go around in hotels and everywhere else and Airbnbs. But I keep some of this on me so that we can, because y'all know flu season, we're coming out the winter, going into the spring, get the germs down. Go ahead, and if you haven't did it in a couple of weeks, this is the perfect time to go ahead and disinfect everything, spray it around your house, things that people touch all the time, and you can do your disinfectant. That way it's quick and it's easy and you can keep it moving. Another thing you can go ahead and do is dust. Now, I like to use this reusable duster. It's super easy to use. All you need is water. That's it. You don't have to buy dusting sprays or any of that. You can dust your furniture. You can dust your closets, your shelves, all of that with this one duster. And when it's full and you see all the dirt on it, you can go rinse it under water. The dirt comes right off and you can keep reusing it. That's one thing I like about it. It's inexpensive and reusable and saves money. So go ahead and do your dusting. Get those areas you haven't dusted all year and just grab you a quick duster. If you want to get that one, that's an easy one that you can incorporate and use over and over again. Another thing to tackle, and I like to go ahead and do too, is my pet laundry. Now, granted, we do this throughout the year, but a lot of times we may forget to clean their bed every so often. So if you do have pets and animals, go ahead and deep clean all their linens, their bed sheets, their bed covers, their blankets, all of that. And that way your whole house will be refreshed, right? As you can tell, I do like active products. I've used them and I actually like them. I really like their pet detergent. It is a very refreshing deodorizer. It does deodorize the blankets, the sheets, all of that. And it works well. I've used, again, different brands over the years. And I like this one right now the best. So if you do have your fur babies, try that one. See how you like it, because I do like it. Go ahead and wash all their stuff and get it all together so the whole house can have this spring refresh, right? We're ready to tackle this next season. Now, one more thing you can do, if you haven't thought about this is new. This is the first time I'm doing this. And that is tackling my drains. So Mrs. Myers has this drain maintenance cleaner that you can pour in your drains to help keep down clogging and to keep your sinks from clogging. She got this probiotic drain maintenance, which helps to prevent the buildup, and it refreshes your disposals and your drains. So this is something that you can pour down. I think the first time you use half the jar, and it tells you in the instructions, then follow warm water, then let it sit for hours and hours and hours and let it do its thing and kill those germs, which is what you want. So this is something you can pour down your bathroom sinks, the drains there, your shower drains, any of those places. I think we really don't do a lot. But I was like, let's try this year to help to cut down on the buildup in our drains and even clogging too. So it's safe for septic tanks, pipes, and garbage disposals. So yeah, if you want to use these in your bathrooms, your kitchen, this is something to help prevent the buildups. So great to add to your spring cleaning list too. If you guys have used it, let me know. There you go, you guys. Those are some of my spring cleaning favorites that I like to do and I'm incorporating this year. And it makes it a little bit easier too as well. I'm gonna be honest. For me, making cleaning fun and easy helps me. Okay, we do our own cleaning here, me and my husband. You know, we just do it as we can. But if we can find some fun, cool gadgets to do it with, it just makes it a little bit better, right? I like gadgets. But I like things that make my life easier too, because, you know, we're busy, right? But hopefully you guys found this video helpful. If you're still here with me at the end, let me know so I can tell you thank you. I will make sure to leave everything linked below, all these items from the video, and I'll probably have them linked in a live stream too, so you can shop all of them directly on Amazon just by tapping the picture. So thanks for tuning in, hanging out. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy the next video as well.